We move to the introduction. Hypothesis testing can be classified as a method of statistical inference where data from a sample are used to estimate information about a population member or population probability distribution. There are four steps in hypothesis testing, which contain no hypothesis and alternate hypothesis for analysis. The hypothesis that the population may return is equal to 0, while the alternate hypothesis is opposite of null hypothesis. Alternate hypothesis that the population may is not equal to 0 and only one of the hypotheses are true. Second step is any study on how to learn to evaluate. Analyze data that include choose a level of significance, suitable statistical test, finding the critical value and determine the rejection region. The last one is decide whether to reject or fail to reject your null hypothesis.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Faiz Anas bin Muhammad Fazli. My match number is AA210163. So I'm going to explain for filler table. For these facts, for the question, number 1, battery life is an essential feature of a smartphone. Number 2, smartphones with long battery life are desirable. Number 3, every mobile phone companies claim that their respective smartphones have long battery life, as indicated by the charge capacity and voltage. The ideas for this question, the reason, number 1 is it determines its function and expediency on a daily. Number 2, save time. 3, improve expediency for users who do not have to charge them frequently. And number 4 is different performance of each smartphone. For learning issues, number 1 is why is there an issue with the battery life of a smartphone? Number 2, which smartphone is the best for battery lifespan? 3, how long is the battery life of currently smartphone respondent? And number 4, what is the usage of the smartphone in daily life? 5, what is the age range of the respondent? For the action plan or resource needed for this question that we made is number 1, build the questionnaire. Number 2, identify the good way to write up the questionnaire by internet. And number 3, we make a Google form to run the survey. And number 4, analyzing the survey and find a solution by references Statistics module chapter 4, hypothesis testing. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad bin Fazul. Today I'm going to present our PPL group project result. Firstly, we create Google form to collect the data. There are 18 respondents that answer the survey. After that, the data of Android and iOS was obtained. The mean for Android is 24.62 and for the standard deviation is 11.41. The mean for iOS is 24.25 and the standard deviation is 10.03. After the mean and standard deviation is obtained for this result, sigma square is unknown and 1 and 2 was not equal 13. So we use test distribution. In this case, we need to use two-tailed test, and the critical value of z 0.05 is 1.6449. After that, we use the formula to get z-test. The z-test is for this experiment is 0.1153. Z-test is smaller than 1.6449. Therefore, S0 is fair to reject. That's all for me. Thank you.
So, in the conclusion, the claim of the Android and iOS smartphone do not have the same battery life of the different mobile operating system is true and accepted. Based on the survey result, there is not enough evidence at 5% for the determination of the existence and extent of battery life of smartphone with Android and iOS operating system. However, most of the respondents tend to prefer Android operating system than iOS operating system.